business name registration, company name registration, business name reservation, company name reservation, all these and more in regards to everything you need to know about company and business registration in Uganda is covered in this video. Keep watching. Hello, my name is Nagawa Eve-joanne and this is the Ask Me About the Law channel where we have free and honest conversations on the nexus of law, technology, trade, tech, finance in Uganda. And today we are talking about all things company and business name registration. Now, the first thing that you need to do to this effect is do a name search and then reserve said name. Now, this applies for both company and a business name, which you can do using the URSB website portal. You could simply access the portal and conduct a name search. Now, once the name is available, the communication will come to you saying that the business name you need or want to reserve is available. Then you proceed now to conduct a name reservation. Now, there are charges that are conducted or stipulated by URSB in regards to how much it would cost you to reserve a business name or a company name, which is listed on here. Proceed to conduct and apply for incorporation of your company. Step 2 is applying for a certificate of incorporation. Now, a certificate of incorporation, this one you cannot do it on yourself. By yourself, you need help. You need to hire an advocate of the High Court of Uganda so that they can help you with witnessing the documents that are needed for this particular stage, and then also to draft said documents for you. So you need an MOU, a memorandum of understanding, and articles of association, which are also provided for by the URSP website. You can check them out and see. They will give you a timeline of how the documents should look like. So once you have finished gathering all these documents, you will either use the online URSB portal to submit them, or you could go in person and hand them in at URSB headquarters and they will receive said documents. Now, the moment URSB is content that you have submitted all the documents that you should, you will receive a certificate of incorporation that says you are officially a registered business or company. So the next stage you will need to do is apply for a membership before the Uganda National Chamber of Commerce. Now, this is not mandatory, it's not a legal requirement, but it will do good for your business, especially for individuals in the private sector. So they have requirements, membership fees, which I'm going to list on here. So you just go. Unfortunately, their website is down right now, so you need to go to their physical location. I think I'm going to put a screenshot here, their physical location. That's how you can apply for membership. The fees are here, and like I said, it's not a legal requirement, but it will do your business good. So definitely, maybe you may want to do that. The most important critical part that you cannot miss out on is applying for a TIN number for your company. Now, a TIN number for your company is different from a TIN number that is yours. I cannot stress this enough. Your TIN number is the one that you use to buy your car, do all your funny business. Now, your company TIN is different and separate from that. There's a whole different process that you have to follow to get that. Now, I did a video on how to apply for a TIN number. I'm going to do a video, or if you want me to do a video for applying for a company TIN, just say yes in the comments so that I can get right into that. So the company TIN, you can check the Uganda Revenue Authority website for a guide. Also, you can check the comments, or in the description box of this video there's a very mini video, 3 minutes if I'm not mistaken, on how to do that. But if you need a more detailed version, just say yes in the comments so that I can definitely get into that. You need to apply for a municipal trading license. Now, I am in Kampala right now, so I'm going to keep making reference to KCCA because it's the binding municipal office in Kampala and the Kampala jurisdiction. Now, the trading license, if you look at the KCCA website, they have a breakdown of each particular type of business and what the trading license fee is for said particular business. And there are also requirements that you need to meet in order to qualify for a trading license in Kampala, the Kampala jurisdiction. So if your business premises, and I mean like if you have office space in Kampala, then you have to meet these requirements in order for you to get a trading license in Kampala. For any other municipality, your municipal office will be the binding authority. So please have that in mind. If you are curious to know more about this, please go to your municipal office and inquire from them, or you could simply send me an email telling me where you're best so that I can better advise you on the way forward. This is binding to all Ugandans who have physical offices in Uganda. One of the important stages that people miss out on, like I said, after you have your TIN number, your TIN for your company, then you proceed to apply for VAT. If you would like me to do a detailed guide on how you can apply for VAT, just again leave a comment under this video saying yes so that I can show up for the challenge and make sure there's a detailed guide on how to do that. But in the meantime, you could check for further details about this topic of applying for VAT using the Uganda Revenue website portal. I think at this point in time, you should know that the Uganda Revenue website portal should be your friend if you are a company or a business in Uganda. Like, it has to be your friend because it is where most of the updates are posted. But with that said, you could still check out the description box of this video because I also broke down mini videos, like I said, or guides in simple terms in just under 60 seconds for further assistance on this matter. So one of the other things that you have to make sure you apply for, which is obvious, is you need a bank account. So you need to go to your preferred banker and register for a bank account for your account. And then last but not least, you also need to apply for a stamp for your company just to have for official business. You know, I know it's somehow your company speaks more authenticity if you have a company seal and a company stamp. But those are very basic things. You can really get them from anywhere in town. But if you still want a detailed guide on how to do all this, because in this video I've given you the general, step by step, but if you want a more detailed breakdown, like let's say for how to apply for VAT or how to apply for a TIN for your company or how to apply for those very detailed conversations, please leave a comment under this video so that I can do like a step by step guide on how to conduct or legally register your business or your company name in Uganda. So major takeaway one, even if you're a solo entrepreneur, which means you're the only one, you are the banker, you are the product manager, the distributor, the CEO, even if it's just you in your company, you can still conduct and register your business or your company. It's just that you'll have to leave out some things. So this is the major takeaway that you need to know about the benefit of company registration. One, if you are looking to grow your business or your company, most people, organizations require that your company is legally registered in order for them to do business with you. Now I know it's a foreign concept, but if you are in the event that you're looking for funding, for instance, could be bank funding, external funding, your business or credibility when you present that form or pitching to an investor seeking for them to invest their money in your project, they will be more inclined because by you taking the initiative to register the company, it gives them the hope or the trust that your company will be around for a long run. You're not going to run away with their money in comparison to when you come and you're pitching an idea and there's no paperwork to prove that that idea actually exists. Two, it also allows you to protect yourself from the liability of the company. For instance, if you take out a loan and the loan is for doing business for the company, and unfortunately you fail to pay back that loan, now that liability will extend to the company and not to you in most instances. Whereas if there's no difference between you and the company and you are one in all, you use the same car, which is company property, and it's also your property, in the event that you do not clear that loan, creditors are legally allowed to come for your car, your house, your bed, and your saucepans. They will come for everything. But this is to shield you from that. So if you'd like a more detailed conversation on this entire topic, because for this year that is the major focus, please leave a comment under this video or just drop your inquiries under this video and I will get onto it. Hello, my name is Nagawa Eve-joanne and you have been watching the Ask Me About the Law channel, where we have free and honest conversations on the nexus of law, technology, trade, tech, finance in Uganda. There are new updates on the Ask Me About the Law YouTube channel every Sunday. So please subscribe and make sure you hit that notification bell so that you don't miss out on those conversations. But there are daily updates on the Ask Me About the Law YouTube channel and the Ask Me About the Law TikTok channel and the Ask Me About the Law Instagram. So please follow me so that you do not miss out on those daily legal updates about the law. Until next Sunday's video, I'll see you then.